SlideLok 74 Rigid Coupling Horizontal Installation. Apply a thin coat of lubricant to the exposed surfaces of the gasket. Be careful that foreign particles do not adhere to the lubricated surfaces. Pipe end must be smooth and free from metal burrs, sharp edges, or projections. Place the coupling over the pipe, making sure the coupling does not overhang the pipe end. Align the two pipe ends and slide the coupling into position, centering it between the grooves on each pipe. Hand tighten the nut evenly on each side of the coupling. Securely tighten nuts alternately and equally, keeping the gaps at the bolt pads evenly spaced. Visually inspect the pipe joint to assure the coupling keys are fully engaged in the pipe grooves. The bolt pads are to have equal gaps on each side of the coupling. Thank you for watching our SlideLok 74 Rigid Coupling Horizontal Installation Instruction video.